Oh, hey! Welcome to the workshop. I heard you guys wanted to check it out. Come on in. Welcome. Obviously, first we've got our sewing machines here on the left. It's a Juki 1541 here for lighter weight leather, which means upholstery up to belt. And then we've got our Cobra Class 4 for heavier stuff, armor and horse tack. I don't do any horse tack, but whatever. And this is a Juki 441 clone, if you're curious. Then we've got a bunch of stuff for display. This used to have more display stuff, and obviously a random pile of crap storage area, which is always handy in every shop. Moving along, this is where we've got all of our hardware, rivets, paints, threads, generally all the tools I've got over here. And sweeping down, we've got underneath the bench all the leather from LONSDALE leather, which I plug all the time because they're great. You got all sorts of great stuff. So make sure you check them out in the link down below for tools, supplies, and of course leather. Moving along here, we have our legal size file folder for all patterns and art, which I picked up that trick from Levi over at Drawbridge Props, who is across the way from me in the same studio. And then we move through to all of our woodworking and some metalworking tools. I don't do a lot of woodworking and metalworking, but it's here if we need it. This here is our filtration device, and this goes from all these benches up into that sack over there on the right, and up through the room, and splits for both of our benches on the right and the left. It's really handy. Right here we've got some more metalworking stuff. We've got Valeria and Boris. I'll leave that up to you guys to decide which is Valeria and which is Boris. I don't do a lot of this again, but they do see regular use. Oh, I've got a great surprise for you guys. The stink room. Oh, what is that? I forgot we hung this in here. Not bad. 100,000 subscribers, Dark Horse Workshop. You know, no big thing. Oh well, it'll be fine here. Nothing bad happens in here. We just spray bomb, glue, and paint and dye. So far it's unscathed, which is pretty amazing. Oh, we should check out the other side of the shop where all the extra filming's done. So I'm just gonna take us over there. Never get used to that. So here's the other room. There's a bunch of crap in here right now. I left it in a little bit of disarray, but as you can see, we've got our big, cool display wall that we use for most of our intros and outros. Some stuff left over from other shoots. Hey, it's my Ragnarok Armor. Really like this armor. I need to finish this. I was gonna finish this, but never got around to it. Other random crap and lights and Jesus. I leave stuff in a little bit of chaos. And over here, we have a sewing machine, kind of redundant. We've got lots of sewing machines. A bell scaver, which if you have been doing leather work for a while, is pretty amazing to just start adding a bell scaver to it. It thins down just the edges of leather. We've got a foot press and a lathe that I've never used because I don't know how to lathe at all. Moving this way, we've got, Jesus, a light and other lights. We've got a bunch of lights. It's kind of like the island of misfit lights, really, is what this is. This is where lights go to die. So sad. But yeah, so this is this side of the shop. Hopefully you enjoyed this video. Make sure you like, subscribe, and hit that notification button so you don't miss any of my content. And until next time, keep on being creative in whatever it is you do.